This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make chocolate orange using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients: 2 large oranges, about 300 grams of good quality dark chocolate, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Make sure your oranges are clean and dry. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper, which will be used for cooling your delicious treats. Next, carefully slice your oranges into thin, uniform rounds, aiming for about 1/4 of an inch thick. The key here is to get them as dry as possible. Use paper towels to pat each slice thoroughly, removing all excess moisture. You can even let them air dry on a wire rack for a few minutes to ensure perfect chocolate adhesion. Now, it's time for the chocolate. Gently melt your dark chocolate with the coconut oil. You can use a double boiler or microwave, stirring frequently until smooth and glossy. Dip each thoroughly dried orange slice halfway into the melted chocolate. Let any excess chocolate drip off before carefully placing them onto your parchment-lined baking sheet, ensuring they don't touch. Finally, place your chocolate-dipped orange slices into the refrigerator to chill for at least 30 minutes, or until the chocolate is completely firm. Once set, they are ready to enjoy. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 5 days. For more details on the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals, check the description below this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.